All right, guys, jumping in on the first break of the night is going to be a new Series 3 from Hit Parade Big Box. This series, of all the ones that we've done, and the first couple series have been pretty loaded, this one seems to take the cake. So it's got a ton of big hits. You got a Kobe autographed jersey in there. You've got John Morant autographed jersey in there. I know you've got, gosh, what are some of those other things in there? I know I saw a Peter Alonso autographed batting helmet, which as a Mets fan makes me excited. So there's some really great stuff in this particular series. So this is a random last name letter break. Every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So each box has got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in it altogether. So I've got Brian W. with 1 spot in this. Todd M.'s got 1. Dan C. with 1. Rick M., you've got 2 spots. Ricky with 1. Matt C.'s got 2. Tom with 1. And then Donnie picked up the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead, first of all, and randomize the last name letters. We're only doing 1 big box tonight. Typically, we've done 2. But only filled 1 this week. So I've got 4 altogether out of this series, so we'll do the next one next weekend. All right, so let's go ahead and mix up the letters 5 times. Donnie, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Man, I know especially for you guys in New York, you guys are really getting hit hard. So Donnie, prayers to you guys, man. You and your co-workers. All right, we'll mix this up 5 times as well. All right, let's go ahead and match them up with the letters, and then we'll open the box.
Best part of the day.
Best part of the day. All right, here we go. So Brian W., you've got last name letters J and P. That's pretty good. Dan, you've got V and G. Donnie, you've got S and K. Matt C. with F, N, L, and H. Rick, you've got C, B, M, and A. Ricky's got T and Y. Todd M. with R and W. And then Tom, you've got D and E. So Rick is looking forward. Rick has been on a roll. Rick M. in these big box breaks. So let's see if we can keep it rolling here. Get out the way, socks.
Like my socks? Shout out to Butter's socks. You want to feel better?
Well, man, let's hope we can pull something out of the W. Let's see what we can do. All right. So maybe this is the Kobe box. You got box number 8 out of 25.
What would you rather want, the Kobe or the John?
I'd rather have the Kobe.
Kobe.
All right, so it's all sealed up.
Protected.
Hey, flip on this light.
This light?
Yeah. It's a little bit brighter. You guys don't pull anything out of it.
Kobe wins box.
Alright, see if we can start following that Kobe. Alright, let's do this one first. Don't try to sneak a peek.
Ooh, Joe.
Ooh, it's going to be a strawberry. This looks a whole lot better in a Mets jersey, but it's going to be a Darryl Strawberry.
Is his number 90?
That'll be last name S, which will be Donnie. Donnie, there you go, man.
I thought that was Judge because 99, but
There's no tag on it, but
New York. Okay, just leave that stuff there. So it is Steiner certified. Nice hit there. All right. Uh-oh, it's yellow. Oh! How about that, Kobe? Box number 8, jersey number 8, Rick. Rick's luck continues. Pulled the Kobe. Rick has been rolling on this thing. PSA DNA certified. Also, David Adams certified. So they got their cert card in there. Dude, that is unbelievable. Got the Nike or the NBA tag still on it. Unreal. Nice pull.
Oh yeah, they put it in box number 8.
Yeah, I don't know that they really do that. In case you were wondering, there it is.
it was probably gonna be in that or box number 24.
Yeah, I don't think they really do
Easter
that.
luck. Every Easter we pull something good.
Do we? What did we pull last Easter?
Something good.
You just don't remember.
I don't know. Now it's our luck tradition.
Alright, next up. It's a pretty good one. He had a coming out party this year. We'll see how he does with Tom Brady as his QB. It's going to be a Chris Godwin.
That looks cool.
Pretty sure.
No tag.
Doesn't have any tag on? Oh. There it is on the back. Let's see if I can zoom it in.
Dang, that Kobe's insane.
There you go. So last name G on that. That'll be Dan.
I like this kind of.
Dan, we got you something this time, man. JSA certified. It's a cool helmet. He and Mike Evans might be in for a big year next year.
That would be cool how nice that was my brother.
The
I think we
quarterback
got
that might be
ourselves.
disintegrating on the field.
You got a boxing glove. Dude,
My
check out that thing is
cousin.
huge.
Who is that?
Hold on. All right, there's the auto.
He goes by the name of Sugar Ray.
Nice, Sugar Ray Leonard. All right, that's the last name L. So that'll be Matt C. Matt, we got you on the board, man. Hold on, just stop. All right, so that's 4. Looks like we got a 5-hit box. This will be the last one. Hey. All right, looks like we're going hockey. Got 2010 Cups champs with the Blackhawks.
Certification.
Okay, hold on. Look on the other. I don't know enough about hockey to know who that is.
Campbell.
Brian Campbell. Brian Campbell on that. Last name C. That'll be Rick.
Where's the...
So not nearly as good as the Kobe. It is David Adams certified. All right. So that's a good way to start Series 3. Right out of the chute, pulling the Kobe.
Actually, it was the second one. So.
No, it was the first box we've done in Series 3. All right, so that'll do it for Big Box. All that paper down in there. So we'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And we'll do our next one coming up next weekend. So we can do is we got 3 left. We'll shoot for 2 next weekend. So if you want to get in, hit me up, Todd at tenskinbreaks.com.